Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today's video is gonna be a very chill day in the life with me vlog. In Toronto, it is suddenly decided that it's summer. Last week we were wearing turtlenecks and the past couple days it's just been 25 degrees and really hot. She's been so hot. I love the summer. I don't know, it's the season I feel like most myself in, if that makes sense. And I especially love this apartment in the summer because I have the amazing deck out back. There's just trees surrounding every window I look out of. So out of my bedroom, out of my back window, and it really does feel like I'm living in a tree house and I love it. So today I thought I would get my patio ready for summer. I need to fill it with lots of greenery. I've already hung the lights and put the cushions on the couch, but I need to add some greenery, plant some herbs. So I thought I would take you along just for a chill day. Right? Why do you look so alarmed? Why do you look so alarmed? Oh my God. So I'm gonna start by making an iced coffee and just hang it out before I tackle the patio. Or we could snuggle all day. That works too. That works too.
Makeover. Now, as many of you guys know, I just finished the horror living room makeover, which is actually this room right here, and it's off the dining room, which if you have not seen this video, I'll put it in a card. It's just right past here where everything kind of starts. I think this is probably one of my favorites, so it's basically the best of both worlds. So let's go ahead and get
Okay, you guys, so this is my plant haul. I also bought this lantern on the weekend and this insanely beautiful Monstera plant. This was only $40 from the Home Depot. It's huge. So this is what everything looks like right now. I put the cushions on the couch. Oh, I also bought that plant too. And I need to fill these planters. And I put the string lights up, got my table. I also put this bench here because I like having more seating. So I put the 2 pink chairs on the end and then the long bench. Just extra room for summer parties. I'm going to start planting everything and see how it goes. I need more soil for this pot. I'm gonna check inside if I have some, but if not, we're gonna have to take a trip to the store. Also, Lottie can't go outside because she's too small. So when I'm outside, she just hangs out in her carrier. Right, Lots? You're so cute. So definitely need more soil, and I don't have any inside. So I'm gonna take a trip to the corner store. I think I'm also gonna get some more flowers for the table. Gotta put our mask on. Also, do any of you, when you're leaving the house, do any of you just wish you could bring your cats with you? I do too. Anyways, I'm just going 2 minutes away. So I'm taking my tote bag with me. This is from my merch line. It says, "Sorry, I can't. I have plans with my cat." I will link my merch line down below as always. I also have t-shirts. Oh, God. And it's all cat related. And fun fact, it also gives back. So a percentage of the proceeds go to the charity called Right to Play. It's a children's charity. And it's made with all organic cotton, sustainable materials, and they're so soft. So yeah, I'm bringing this with me to the store. Let's go. You guys, I'm sorry that it's so loud, but there's a ton of construction going on. Anyways, they didn't have soil at the store, but I saw a couple herbs, and I think I actually want to keep this. Actually, think I want to keep this as an herb garden. I'm gonna put the herbs in here, and then I think I'm gonna plant some peonies, which is so exciting. The peonies have been planted. I'm really excited to have peonies. I do need to get some soil just to put it on the top because I didn't have enough soil and the store didn't have any. So I'm gonna go to another hardware store later on today to get some more soil. But now it's time to place the tropical plants. Here's the thing. I don't know if a Monstera is going to survive on my patio, but I love indoor plants, so if it seems to not be doing well out here, I'm just gonna bring it in. It's beautiful. As I mentioned, I got this for $40 at Home Depot, and it's huge. It's huge. So let's place those, and then I'm just gonna finish off the patio with some cute accessories, some lanterns, some flowers, and then I can enjoy it. Come inside quickly because I really need an outdoor umbrella. I've seen one that I think I like on Wayfair, and I want your guys' opinion. Oh my gosh, I look like I'm sunburned. I'm just hot. I will show you guys what it looks like. It's really cute. It has like scallops on it. Oh yeah, here it is. I feel like the white is gonna get dirtier like way quicker, but then this is the black. I think this is cute. I think I'm gonna go for the black. I don't know. I feel like, because my furniture's black, but maybe the white's nice too. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Should I get the black scallop with the white trim, or the white with the black trim on the scallop? I'll also link it down below, and I'll try to link all the products on my deck. All the furniture is from Article. You guys know I love Article. But yeah, okay. I'd love your opinion. Black or white umbrella? A little while later, the construction has stopped, thank goodness. It's still really hot out, but it's like the nice golden hour. So I'm gonna put those last finishing touches on the patio. I'm really happy with how it's all come together. It's not a huge difference from last year, but right now I'm putting down some pom-pom seat cushions for the bench, some indoor cushions on the outdoor sofa. I'm gonna bring these in at night. And then just putting some nice flowers on the table, and that's that. I cannot wait to have people over in this space when, you know, we're able to. And I also cannot wait till this tree fully blooms, because then it really feels like a floating tree house. Also, later on this evening, I'm gonna check in with you guys to show you what it looks like at night when it's all glowy. But this is what it looks like right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope that it got you in the summer spirit and ready to put your summer patio all together. A really exciting announcement actually is that I am launching a patio series. There's gonna be 3 episodes where I make over different sized patios in the city of Toronto. A large one, a teeny tiny one, and a medium sized one. So I'm hoping that you guys will tune into those episodes and you'll get even more inspiration for decorating your outdoor space from scratch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week.